Surprise my girlfriend with this kitten I just bought. A girl. She just called me, told me she finna come in. So let's see her reaction once she see her. Hey, hey. So let's see if we can hurry. Let's see if she doesn't take too long coming in. And here we go. Sorry, I didn't mean to lock both locks. Hey, baby.
Don't make me shit.
Why you always so angry?
Close the door.
Come on. Hold on, come lay down with me for a second. We get to all that later.
Why do you have your camera on?
Don't worry about it. She's a girl.
Hi. Oh my god.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Where'd you get her?
Remember the guy I was telling you about was selling them for 25?
Oh my god, at the top. Oh my god.
This is your new baby.
Oh. This is crazy. Was she scared?